Alright, we're going to start with the base of the puncher. I'm using a 15-hole 5-wide C-channel. I'm going to mount two 3-inch standoffs, one on each edge. I'm going to mount the gearbox. To start by placing a 1-inch screw, 1 hole from the back. I'm going to put a 1/2-inch spacer, and then I'm going to put 3 washers. You may have to use a different amount of washers depending on the thickness of your washers. Alright, so these screws should not stick up through the slide truck. If they are, you may have to add washers behind these screws to push them down a little bit. Now we're going to add the slide truck in front. For these, we're going to use a 0.375 inch and a 1/4 inch stacked with the screw right in front of the previous truck. Alright, next we're going to mount the gearbox. So we're going to start by placing the motor. You can put it on the left or the right, it does not matter. Make sure the driving hole is towards the front, so the output shaft of the motor is towards the front of the gearbox. The bearing flat on is going to be on the outside. Place the screw coming from the inside out so that the caps nuts on the outside. Using 1/2-inch screws for this. Now we're going to place the shaft through the bearing flat on a shaft collar first. You can do it in any order here. The slip gear, this is a 25 tooth slip gear. We've shaved off 11 of the 36 teeth. Place this through, and now we're going to get the 0.25 inch spacer in here. Depending on your gearbox, you might have extra wiggle room in between the walls of your spacing, but that is normal and it does not affect operation. Alright, now we're going to build the actual sliding rail for the linear puncher. We're going to start by mounting the racks. This is a 13-hole linear slide rail. We're going to put a rack on here. Alright, so now we're going to mount the backstop. done. Make sure that your puncher slides in without a click. You hear very little sound there. And then you add grease to make sure that this motion is perfectly smooth. And when you hold the slide vertically, it should fall out. Now adding rubber bands. We place 3 on each side. Puncher's ready to go.